Hi, I'm Professor Mike Christie, and today I'm going to be talking about the EPA project evaluating the multiple values of nature. So the project is part of the ESDecide project, and the project team comprises myself, various researchers from UCD and Trinity College, and universities across Europe. To try and understand this complexity, we introduced the idea of the life framework of values. And these can be seen as different lenses through which we can see the world and how people benefit from it. So there are four life frames. So living from is that people may fish in a river and they eat that fish or they live from that catch. Living in is looking at the aesthetics of a riverscape. Living with is that you have to live next to a river, so maybe living with potential of flooding. And living as if you're feeling that your fishing experience is part of that kind of ecosystem, so you're part of nature. So those different lenses allow us to explore different aspects. Then section 3.3, we look at deliberative approaches to value nature. So what we argue is that through deliberation, that can inform individual values, but also allows us to develop shared visions of values. And we introduce Kenter's deliberate value formation model. So that's in kind of overview of the report. So the key take-home messages is that this report provides a state-of-the-art review of knowledge and practices of value nature and its different services. We demonstrate that over the years, research has uncovered the increasing complexity of the many ways in which people value nature. And we also argue that accounting for this wider diversity of values is improved natural resource policy making. So the report provides a kind of theoretical framework for the empirical research, which we're currently undertaking and will be published later in 2021. Okay, thanks for listening and enjoy the report.